Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 6. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct an agriculture studies class for the students of class 6. Let's see our today's topic. It is chapter number 5, lesson number 3 and 4, reading plus discussion. And this is our lecture number 8 and homework number 6 on our annual term 2021 syllabus. Dear students, at first I request all of you to open your agriculture studies book, page number 64. So look here, we will discuss lesson 3 and lesson 4. Lesson 3 is about red amaranth cultivation method, and lesson 4 is about pepper cultivation method. Red amaranth is a popular vegetable in our country. Red amaranth is cultivated more or less almost everywhere in Bangladesh. It contains a lot of vitamins soil. So look at the preparation of red soil, how to cultivate red amaranth. Red amaranth is cultivated in almost all types of soil all the year round. Here, however, loamy and sandy loamy soil is best for its cultivation. The production of red amaranth in our country is abundant at the outset of winter. Red amaranth can be cultivated in highland during summer variety. There are many varieties of red amaranth, however, two improved varieties are Altapati and Bari Lal Shagwan. The leaves and stems of Altapati variety are vermilion red in color. The leaves and stem of Bari Lal Shag are red. The flowers of this red amaranth is red and its seed is round in shape. Land preparation. The seed of red amaranth is very small, so the land is prepared loose by plowing 4 or 5 times and landering. Red amaranth is a short during crop, so 40 kg of cow dung, 400 gram of urea, 300 gram of TSP and 250 gram of MOP fertilizer have to be applied per decimal land. After 7 days of seed germination, an amount of 400 gram extra urea fertilizer per decimal land will be top dressed and mixed with the soil. Seed sowing. The seeds of red amaranth are sown by broadcasting and in lines. If sown in lines, nursing is convenient and there is more yield. A 1 meter wide and 15 centimeter high red bed is prepared to sow seed in the rainy season. A 30 centimeter irrigation drain is to be kept between 2 seed beds. There may be an equal distribution of seeds everywhere. If needs, seeds are mixed with sand at the time of sowing. 100 gram of seed is enough per decimal land. Okay, if sown in lines with the help of seed making, 1.5 to 2 centimeter deep line having centimeters, then seed should be broadcasted. In the lines, the soil should be leveled. Now, intercultural operations. Okay. The nursing that is taken from seed sowing or seedling, planting or crop harvesting is called the intercultural operation. No irrigation is necessary if there is sufficient moisture in the soil at the time of sowing, but if there is not sufficient moisture in the soil at the time of sowing, but sufficient moisture in the soil, irrigation is necessary. When seeds germinate, seedling should be kept 5 centimeter apart in the rows and other plants must be lifted as throwing within a week. The wheat must be cleaned out by the weeders and the soil should be mulched after irrigation. Crop harvesting. Red amaranth can be collected after 20 to 25 days of sowing seeds. Firstly, tall plants need to be lifted. Thus, red amaranth can be lifted after 2 or 3 days of interval. The plants of red amaranth is lifted with its roots, then they are whisked away, tied in bunds and marketed. Crop harvesting should be completed for leafy vegetable before the stem becomes hard. Yielding 45 to 50 kg red amaranth is obtained from per decimal of land if improved method is cultivated. Lesson number 4. Pepper cultivation method. Pepper is a spice crop in Bangladesh. Green and red peppers are used for hot taste or pungency. Green chilies contains more vitamin C. Nowadays, a kind of pepper is found which is less hot. This is called capsicum. This pepper is used as salad variety. There are many breeds of peppers existing in different areas of Bangladesh such as Bindu, Chalisha, Dhani, Ubda, Chittagong, Kumilla, Bogura, etc. Moreover, in the approved variety named Bangla Lonka, Bari peppers 1 is suitable for cultivation round here. Soil. Pepper grows oil in sandy, loamy and clay soil with drainage facilities. However, loamy and silty loamy soil rich in compost are the best for pepper cultivation. Pepper plant cannot tolerate water-logging condition. Next is sowing time. The proper time of sowing seeds is September to October month in the Rabi season. Seeds are sown in seed beds in the Kharif season, starting from the first week of December to the first weeks of February. When a seedling shoots out 4 to 5 leaves, it becomes suitable to be planted in the field. Seed rate, sowing and plantation distance. 12 to 16 gram seeds are required for decimal. If seeds are sown directly in the main plant, half of the seeds are required if seedlings are developed in seed beds. The seedlings are kept 25 apart from the row. The plants should be kept 20 cm apart from the Rabi season. In the Kharif season, seedlings are to be planted 45 multiply 45 cm apart in the main field. Now, seed bed preparation. Seeds are usually sown directly in the main field during Rabi season and during Kharif season. Firstly, seeds are raised in the seed bed. They are planted in the main field. The size of the size is 3 meter multiply 1 meter length plus height, and it is kept 15 centimeter high. The top soil of the seeds bed is made with loose with the moisture of soil, and cow dung is a proportion of 1:1:1:1. Treated seeds are sown 5 centimeter apart from 2 to 3 centimeter in depth. Sieving dust is sprayed around the seed bed to protect seeds from ants. Seeds germinated within 7 to 10 days. The seed bed is covered with polythene or straw. Seed after sowing seeds in order to them heavy rain or strong sunlight. The seed bed is to be irrigated slightly either in the morning or in the evening according to necessity. When a seedling grows 4 to 5 leaves, it becomes suitable for plantation in the field. Land preparation and fertilizer application. The land is to be prepared by 4 to 6 time plowing and landering 40 kg of cow dung, 1020 meters of TSP and 540 gram of MOP, 440 gram gypsum fertilizer have to be mixed with the soil per decimal length at the time of last plowing. The seed bed is to be made in 1 meter in the length and wide on the basis of area of the land to direct sow seeds or the plant seedlings. The seed bed is to be 15 meters high, and there should be a 30 centimeter drain between the two seed bed of irrigation and drainage fertilizer. Last point, it is intercultural operations. The land must be always kept weed free. Urea and MOP fertilizer will be applied dressing top thrice after 20, 40 and 60 days of seedlings plantation. Every time per decimal of land 280 grams urea fertilizer mixed with the soil needs to be sprayed from the base of the seedlings at a distance of 10 to 15 centimeter apart. Irrigation is needed in winter and drought period. Again, irrigation is necessary after every installment of fertilizer application. If so, crook is formed on the soil after few days of the irrigation, that should be broken. Now look, this is our homework, and your homework is you will prepare or make 5 MCQs from lesson number 3 and 4. So dear students, from lesson number 3 and 4 you have many informations. So please you can write them as your homework. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.